Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, it is 100 degrees out and we're putting an intake manifold on my car. Are we gonna sweat? Yes, we are. So, what we got here is our Doc Race intake manifold that I've been waiting almost 2 years to get. Since day one, literally. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Not too bad. You know, it's cast aluminum. Strong. Should get like a little bit more horsepower, I guess. We got this block off plate because I'm blocking off the port injection for now because I don't need it at the moment. I bought this fitting right here. I actually used Jake Spence's write-up. I'll throw that in the description. He did a really good write-up. I took a bunch of his ideas. Like this fitting is 1/8 NPT to 3/8 bar, so we can relocate the throttle body vacuum source to right here, so we can have the throttle body turned. And we'll show you when we get there. But yeah, it's got all this stuff. I got a new 45 degree. Is that 45 degrees?
Sure.
Yeah, 45 degree boot for the charge pipe, because I think we need it. Yeah, it came with a bunch of the block offs for all the nitrous and meth ports right here, along with gaskets. So we'll be throwing those in. First thing we want to do with this before we put it in is make sure we have all these in, and then blow out the inside so that we don't have any barbs or anything chilling in there that will go into our engine and destroy our lives. So yeah, let's start.
Does it change like the look of the intake?
Yeah. Yeah, it's not like that channel on the outside.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna start taking this charge pipe off. Oops, that was tightening. Probably the fastest I've ever take out a charge pipe. For sale, $100. Well, this is what happens when you run a no filter on your turbo for an extended period of time. That's so bad. Throttle. This right here is the tube that we're gonna plug into that rear runner on the new manifold. So we gotta get some tubing. I think it's 3/8 tube. And, extend this like a tiny bit just so it reaches over to there. And we have to extend the T-map wires and the throttle wires up to the forward part for obvious reasons. We're gonna remove this here fuel line. Not that size. Hopefully it doesn't spray out.
Got him.
It sprayed out. Cool. Yeah, that was like a fucking jet. Now she's off. Maybe I can reach this bolt now. Alright, so 10 minutes later, the intake's about to come off. I'm a fucking beast at taking these things off. What? Whoa! What the fuck was that? What? It just like nutted on me. You touched me in the wrong spot.
The right spot.
Yeah. Okay. Junk plastic shit is Gucci. I got sweat in my eye. Fuck. Make sure you're should probably unplug the fuse for the fuel pump if you're doing this with a shotgun kit, because this thing keeps spraying shit everywhere. So yeah. Now that the intake's off, I'm gonna start getting rid of this. I'm gonna cut it right down here. Bam. Just like that. That part comes off, and then we can do the same thing on this side, right up here. Oh, I just cut these and have that T there.
Outside.
Okay, so as these are off, we can replace these with regular hose. And I kept this T right here so we can retain this, whatever the fuck it is. I don't know where that goes, but we'll keep it. So this is the vacuum source for the throttle body. I'm going to cut this off right here, and we'll put a small section of hose so that we can plug this into the rear runner. Make sure you always cut towards yourself when you're cutting stuff with no gloves.
That better be not on copyright.
It is not copyright. It's fucking retarded. Alright. What the fuck is this? Oh yeah. Got a fitting for the blow-off line and some thread sealer. So I'm just gonna throw that in here. Make sure you're extremely careful with these, because this one just cross-threaded in there because I wasn't careful, and you know, just sent it in so tight is right. For now, I'm going to transfer over my Hobbs switch to the new manifold, as well as that thing. So we got to swap over the intake air temperature sensor, and gonna need bolts for those. So we went through the old 335i bolt box, all the bolts that we had left over, and managed to find two that fit there, so that's good. Final thing, let's put this on freaking carefully. And we'll just go just like that.
About the T.
Yeah, I'll cut it in the middle. Put the T in. She's tight. Okay. Nothing but clean builds here. Slice her up right in the mid. for this. That's gonna fucking barely fit too. Son of a bitch. Always lubricating with my sweat. Ah!
Look where he's been. So. Oh man.
So annoying. I hate sweating.
Jeez.
That ain't bad.
All right,
Ain't too
T.
shabby.
All right, T. Then.
Our T-map right here. I'm going to swap it over to the Doc Race charge pipe. Bada bing. So this Doc Race thing has smaller holes for these screws, so.
Oh wait, use the ones that didn't fit in here. Right? No. Damn it.
Fuck, that hurts.
You have?
Oh my god. So hard. Sick.
Fuck off. Oh, there you go.
So yeah, we're extending all the wires right now. We got these cool wire things that got solder and stuff in the middle. So when you heat it up, it melts the solder and then it makes a watertight connection. You know, so pretty sweet. Got them on Amazon. I'll throw them in the description if I remember.
Get a sick shot of this, dude. Yeah.
That's our head.
Sick shot. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fucking. Wow! Look at that shot! Holy crap!
Huh?
There you go. Oh, dude. That was so not good feeling. Woo! Alright. All 6 of these wires are extended. Plenty of distance there. I have a feeling those are gonna like. So attach this 3/8 tube right here. So this is gonna go right up to the runner, the rear runner. It's ready. Okay, that's a
Oh, the catch cam. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna have to move that. Great. Take 2. And she's in.
That's nice.
Oh, dude.
Oh, that back gasket fell out.
Oh, did it?
No. Wow. Neat.
Holy shit. How close that is, too. Everybody's like, Jesus. Everybody's freaking out about that. Wow. Gucci.
Oh, is it? I'm gonna have to move that.
Yeah.
You won't be able to go anywhere. It'll be stuffed in.
Yeah.
Preemptively.
So this first bolt is a little bit too long because the Doc Race manifold is like thinner than the stock one. So we have this spacer right here that is found. We're gonna put it on like that, and that should be minty. I'm gonna put this block off plate back in. I had it out because it blocks some of the bolt holes, so the stud wouldn't have been able to go through and get the bolt on with this on. So now that's all tightened down and everything, I'm gonna try to put this on. It's gonna be probably a pain in the ass. So, all right, guys, it's day 2. I ran into a problem yesterday where I didn't have any clamps, so I went out to the hardware store today. Got some clamps, 3-inch. But I just got the charge pipe all in. I had to modify the boot down there. Not the boot, the coupler that I got a decent amount. Pretty much just trimmed like about an inch off, and then I angled it a little bit so that it would slip over the intercooler side. I was able to get it hooked up without having to trim the charge pipe, which is nice because I didn't feel like doing that. But it's all hooked up here, all good. I capped this off. Everything's plugged in underneath, and I zip tied all the wires out of the way of the steering rack. I'm gonna get some cover for those eventually, so you don't have to look at that. But so far so good. I'm gonna get the blow-off valve, put that on. Then I should be able to just put the fan back in and everything. Well, I gotta extend the tube for my catch can as well, because that catch can was sitting like right here, so that was in the way. But other than that, we're almost done. All right, guys, it is complete. And it's looking amazing. Yeah, so I'm gonna go take a shower because I'm sweaty, and we're gonna go get gas because I'm empty and I want to see what this thing feels like now. And you guys can hear the new T51R mod that I got right there. Should be sick. Hear that turbo spools without even spooling. Alright guys, so I just flashed the new MHD shift log fix onto my car. It was a 20-minute flash. I wanted to try it out, so I'll show you guys a little bit of that if I can. I don't know how I can record while driving, but yeah, we're about to take it for a test drive. Everything's all good. I just double checked. My hoses are on my belt, and I found one of my hoses was touching a belt, so I'm super glad I found that before I drove anywhere, so got lucky there. But yeah, let's take it for a ride. Sounds sick. Cutting it extremely close on gas here. You should never run your bucketless fuel pump this low. This is very dangerous. Okay, this is probably the worst camera angle ever, but we're gonna try to do a pull. Can't see me, but there you have it, guys. The intake is in, feels good. Haven't done a full boost pull yet because traffic is terrible around here, especially at 4 p.m. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for more stuff. What else do we have to do to that? I don't know. I can't remember. I feel like there's something else that we got to do. Shit. But anyway, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more content on our cars and stuff. Christian's car is, you know, not looking good, so there'll be a bunch of stuff on that. So yeah, peace out.
And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW. And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW. Microphone attached to my head so I can